Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, guys, please make sure you click on the subscribe button. Do not go without subscribing. You can like, share, also make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at GBPUSD for this week. Now, if you are not following me on Telegram channel, make sure you do that. So if you are following this channel consistently, I predicted a fall on GBPUSD, right? I told you guys, no matter what will happen, be it interest rate is being increased or not, GBP USD must fall. And take a look at it. This was the fall. Take a look at it. I know how this GBP PS moves, and I knew it is going to fall. So I told you guys that if in case that fall will happen, a pullback will play out right on the 4-hour time frame. I told you guys last week, if you remember, a pullback will happen, then one more push up before the fall. You can go back to go and watch it. To those who have not watched it, you can go back to go and watch it, confirm, check the video for last week, that after one more push-up, a drop will happen. And this is exactly what happened. And I tell you the reason, even if interest rate is being increased, GBP itself is even going to fall. And this is it. A lot of traders were actually going long, thinking, okay, because interest rate has increased, okay, we will be going bullish. All of a sudden, this fall happened. Now, with what I am seeing, with what I am personally seeing, I see this as a reversal movement. There's every possibility. I would say there's 60 or 70% chance that GBP USD is now giving us a reversal movement. Now let's zoom it out. You will see something like we've gotten kind of like a double top. You will see it here. I mean, if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you zoom it out, or it's even it's double top we've gotten right now. See it here. You can see 1, 2. So when you see a double top like this, you will know that okay, there's a reversal movement played out. And when you now take a look at it, you will see multiple break of structure downward. I think about 3 break of structure downward. This is an indication that GBP USD has now given us a reversal movement. So in for some times now, or in a while now, or probably for some month now, that we'll be looking at, we'll be expecting more fall on GBP USD. But we need a confirmation, and that confirmation is if in case GBP USD can break this lows and break this lows, then to me that would be a confirmation that GBP USD is now on a downtrend move. So I just needed to actually break this lows and break this double two lows. So if you can break this lows, then I would believe that GBP USD is on downtrend move. Basically, what I'm seeing, GBP USD is now a downtrend movement. So for this week right now, if you have to take a buy probably on Monday or Tuesday, I'll be looking to take a buy at probably this level, at a level of 1.24277, or at a level of, let me highlight the level for you guys properly. There are two levels I'll be aiming to take a buy, which is a level of 1.24277 or a level of 1.23638. This is the better level I will probably be watching to take a buy, just as a form of correction, not just like it's kind of like a pullback, right? I mean, when you take a look at this massive drop, right, a correction will be playing out, right, before price will continue dropping. So it is this correction I would love to take a buy. So, and that correction, I'll be watching to take a buy at the level of 1.23638. By the way, you can see it that is also coming to our 50-period simple moving average. So I believe a rejection should actually play out at this level. So if price can give us that correction, then we should expect more drop. Basically, this is what I'm expecting on GBP USD for this week. So if in case you are not following me on Telegram, guys, make sure you do that. Follow me on Telegram. The link to my Telegram channel will be in the comment section. Just go to the comment section, check the comment section. You see a link to the Telegram channel. Follow me on Telegram channel. There I'll be putting out tons of information that will be useful to you. Basically, a lot of helpful information that you are going to need. That is what I'll be putting on down my Telegram channel. So follow me, you'll get access to those information.